on, Chaz?
Yeah, no big brother.
Boy, you look a spot of cool out and you look nice though.
Yeah, man, I'm look nice. Look, getaway, this is me. Get away from the peace, from the whole heap of stress, is me. Yeah, man.
Oh.
Peace was around here. You don't know the work stressing already and all of that, you know, so.
Yeah, I know for your
Need
work
a
already.
look spot, yeah.
But you are going.
Hmm.
I don't really want to tell you nothing for you stress out yourself and
man, you're going to say in a family, man. Just school, man. Anything happens, man, you can say it, man.
Alright, but you are going. I know it come down, with enough police, man. I know you have family, but you have police nonetheless. I know so anytime I hear certain things, the thing come down away, probably I'll kill a man and then sit there, you know. You see me?
No, man, I don't mean that big brother, man. Just cool, man.
Alright.
On that, man.
Alright, if you say that, so let me show you what I want. You know what I know, say big brother?
Yeah.
Your woman, Kim.
Man, talk with you, man.
Your woman, Kim.
Yeah.
Look like say man nicking at things, dog.
My woman, you sure my woman you talk about?
Bro, you know say me no come to you with no idiot story.
So why you see me say that? Why you see me say that?
Brother, I see man Nick in a compromising position, brother. When I look too right, brother. So I tell you, so I put up on your gear, dog. I'm gonna think you right. You take care of a certain way, I'm gonna think you right if she have a man with you.
Nick. Why that Nick? Who name Nick? Who name Nick? Yeah. Tell me who name Nick.
How much Nick you know, dog? How much Nick you know? You know
we are talking the Rasta one, this him you talk about?
Him see man, brother, thief in Nick when his sister thief too.
So my Kim gonna deal with him. Sure, big brother car.
Brother.
Honest one hard still, you know.
Come like a joke thing. I shouldn't even tell her this guy.
No, man, no. Me not disbelieve you, you know. But my woman when me have such as a loyal girl where I love and why?
Yo, not take it too serious still. Me just put you up on your guard. You're police, you can do your own little investigation and you can find out if nothing really goes so.
Nick, you know, I'm going to dig up on that little brother. I might do some more research on him now. Because him name call upon look something, you know. But you see, because them I look up some petty little thing, I to put him on practice. But seeing as you mention him now, I'm going to take a drag up him profile. I'm going to find out what really are going on.
Alright, as I say, just deal with it now, right? We are not bother the woman nothing, not do him nothing, you know. Because I don't want me feel guilty at the end, so me come tell you, and you probably all kill all the woman and something, you see me?
No, I don't know killing.
Alright, so you are going. It's a beard me will take over this still, so just go and hold it, see?
Go do your thing, man. Go on easy, man. Bless up yourself. Yo, thanks for that information, yeah, you see me?
Alright, don't say alright.
Keep my eye them open, man. Yes, I'll go on easy. Kim? Why Kim wanna do me that? Really, Kim? No, sir. My brother not gonna lie to me like that. Nah, go do that, you know. No, call the boy. Don't call the boy. Call me. Don't call Kim. Kim nah do me this, man. Mad. Hello? Hey, you look a dirty girl. Hey, girl Kim, what me real here say you go on with? Eh? How we real there man place a day with Kim? Kim, imagine me give you everything, you know, Kim. I give you everything, you know, my girl. Everything, you know, I give me last, you know. I really gonna give me bun. I give me bun with one thiefing boy. Kim, what kind of style is Kim? What kind of dirty style is Kim? Kim, I love you, you know. Kim, I love you. Kim, I love you, Kim. Kim, I really love you, Kim. I really do this to me. Why you not do this, Kim? Kim, really. Kim, what am I do to you in a life, Kim? Really, Kim, you ask me anything you ask me for, I'm going to give it to you. Anything you ask for, Kim. Every single thing you ask for, baby girl. I really do this. No, Kim, tell me you're lying. Tell me, please, just tell me you're lying. Kim, tell me you're lying, no, Kim. Kim, say something, no. Kim, you not say nothing. Hey, girl. Hey, but tell them how wicked them people are, no, man. Give on, Hey, wicked girl. Where you there? Come here, no. Come here, no, I want to see you. Oh, girl. What a girl on the phone, man. I don't like how to get with kids. Kim, boy, Kim, baby. How are you? Kim, come my house now, here. I'll go my house now, wait for you, baby. Come Sir James. Hello? So what, miss you down here, I'm calling?
Hello, sir. How can I help you?
My name is Inspector Chaz. I'm from Hunts Bay Department. I'm looking for one Mr. James. Do you happen to know where his whereabouts are, miss?
No.
But I was given concrete evidence
About
that
what?
he lives right here, so.
Which one are the James that I talk about?
Do you know any James, miss?
Which James do you want, sir? Just talk about the James that you come to.
I come to look for one Mr. James that has been going on with a lot of bad things in this neighborhood.
Which James? Which James you come about? A whole heap of people named James.
Nick James is the individual that I'm asking about.
What about him, sir?
Mr. James and I have some things we need to discuss because I've heard and gotten concrete evidence that Mr. James, Nick James, is doing a bag of racketing in this community.
So how me I go help you with that now? Cause me no know of him in a no problem.
I was given concrete evidence, as I said, miss, that he lives right here. And you are sitting in the doorway of the room of this individual.
You want to go search in there? Him not there. And I know you're saying live. And you can't go in my house without a warrant. And number one, he's not here, as I said before. He's not here.
So you're telling me that Mr. James does not live here?
Him not live right here, so where you see me sit down.
I will educate you.
And if you don't understand the way there, he does not live here.
I will educate you on the law.
Okay.
If you are soliciting and aiding and abetting an illegal personnel inside your home and interrupting with a private investigators in ongoing investigation, you will be charged. So please think carefully what you're saying to me.
Look here, me always think first before me talk. Me just tell you one thing, him no live here.
He does not live here?
No, he only come and visit and then he leave. Him no live here. Me can make, once you show me one warrant enough, if you go in, they go search, you can go in, go search. I don't have a problem with that, but him no live here, so.
What is your name, miss?
What you want to know my name, sir?
I would like to know the person to whom am I speaking.
Okay. My name is Pamela.
Pamela?
Yeah.
What is your last name?
James.
So, Pamela James. Are you related to Mr. Rick James?
I'm a cousin.
He's your cousin?
Yeah.
With the same last name?
I'm a cousin. We come from the James them family. Yeah, make it sound like it's impossible.
Never said anything, miss. I'm
I know
not
my father.
accusing you of anything.
I know
I'm
my
just
brother.
asking. Okay.
You have any more questions, sir? Because this look like I say a quote me there.
That is it
Or
for
me
now.
do something wrong. And me you come for her and my cousin.
Here, this is what I would like you to do for me. You see, whenever Mr. James or Mr. Rick, seen as you know him as Rick, whenever Mr. Rick...
Him no name Rick. See there, a wrong yard they come for the wrong person. My cousin named Nick James. So if they look for one Rick, a wrong yard they come. That with Uno police. I don't know if I who pay you, can come like you want me to load up my big mouth. upon you right now. No
You're
disrespect,
behaving
sir. Me
very
need you to
smart.
listen me. You see how long me I listen to you like me I want dummy? Listen to what me I say, sir. My cousin is Nick. Him no name Rick. Number one, him not there, so 1 and 2 times him come here so come visit me. Him come check me the other day if you want a little thing and him gone. Me no know when there. Me no have to know which part my cousin there.
Alright. So Miss Pamela, do you have any contact number for this Nick James?
You know, say him not have no phone.
He does not have a phone.
He not have no phone. Me can't believe say my cousin have no phone. How long me I tell him say fi try get one phone. And in that dead if he see if he can get one phone.
Pamela, you would not be trying to lie to an officer, would you?
Why would I tell you lie? Where me know you from, sir? And what me do to you? Or what you do to me for me tell you lie now? What can I
Just
say?
trying to get to the bottom of this.
Go down in my bottom. Me love stay on top. What you say?
So you what I want you to do? You see, any time at all,
Me no know.
Me.
Listen to me, sir. If I say I go send out of your mouth, say any of me end up seeing no day at all. You know, so me no know if I go see him back again. Because I know all the while me there here. Me is a busy woman. Every minute me gone. You're lucky you come to me yard go and see me. Because me did just about to make a call and leave because me have a mission to go. You know? Yeah.
alright. Well, I thank you very much for your time. But I will say it anyways. If any at all you should see one Nick James, your cousin, have him report to the station because we are here and we need to speak to him. He needs to come give us some information, clear up some things, clear up his name.
Clear up his name. So how him could I do so?
We have him on several incidents wherein his name is being called and racketing.
So you can prove that, sir?
I never said anything. I said we just want him to come down to the station and give us his part of the story and clear his name up.
Then,
Simply that. So, whenever you see the man,
So
hear
if
from
me
him.
see
If
him-
you hear from him,
if me not go hear from him because he not no phone.
Right.
If me end up buck up on him on the road or no, where I see him, where say me fi tell him say?
just tell him say he need to come to the Hunts Bay police station and come clear him name. Simply that.
And then when me send my cousin down there, no hold on on him.
Miss, he has nothing to fear if he is not guilty of anything.
Right, you know, no prove say my cousin do nothing, so me not
We're not
understand.
charging him with anything, miss. We just simply need some
But you not look for him like I say, I'm a wanted man. See there? See how you come in at me yard like you want to frighten me, to give me heart attack. Look on your side, look on your side. And I'm a cousin you look for.
I am given a service pistol to travel with me for my safety. Yes? Now, I ask that you just work with me. If any at all you see this Nick James, you just let him know so to come to the Hunts Bay police station, come have a conversation with us, clear up his name, him go on him.
Me no promise you no. Me not promise you say me I go see him. If me see him, me will deliver your message.
Alright, Miss Mama.
Alright.
James, that's all I ask.
Okay, sir.
Have yourself a beautiful
So what is your name, sir?
Me? Chaz Brown.
Okay.
Corporal Chaz Brown.
No want your name, because in case you no hold on for my cousin know where you want to see him, me need to get a lawyer. Okay.
Okay. So that's okay now?
Yes,
Good?
sir. You
On the
can
same
go
page?
on. Yeah, you can go on now. Out
Have
of
a
me
beautiful
yard.
evening.
You too.
Yes, ma'am.
I wonder if that dirty foot policeman you think say me an idiot. Me a give away my brother. Eh? Me could have ever give out information upon my brother make you go hold him and put him in a dirty cell. You bright? Oh, you want bright, so who send you a me yard? If I did know go round a back for Rex and let him go, me, hey, you don't know what Rex would have do with you today. I chew me time up. Let me call my brother. You brighty? It's a dirty foot policeman. Bright. Nick, answer phone. Nick, which part of there? Me say as you come out of the yard, one policeman come in here. You them a ask for. I could never me. I tell you, say you now use your head smart, my youth. You know, use it smart. You use your head foolishly. You and your friend them where you have behind you. What kind of move them they are make so much police a walk and a look for you, my youth, like you're some wanted man. Right now, the police come as you left, not even 3 minutes after you left. A policeman that come. What? Nobody with it, nobody with it, nobody with it. Don't even go there, so. That me they tell you. Because me tired to warn you. Nick, how much time if I warn you? Me have to tell all the policeman say you're my cousin. Me tell him say you no live here, so. Just to hush him up and make him tap ask me so much question about you. My youth, what you do again? Me tell you already, you know. Me tell you about the thieving thing, you know. When you want to know if you thief the right way, come to me first before you make your move them. You then leave behind me back and I do some foolishness to your friend them and you wanna feel you want name the man they talk about. He now say Nick and 2 other persons, just you. You say little dirty foot police boy come tell me about me if you tell my cousins if you come down a station because they want you down there if you question you. My youth no go nowhere, you fool. Eh? You a fool? Go where? No go down there, they might hold on upon you. Don't go down there. No go down there. Where you take me now? I them the foolishness say you make police come on me here and come ask you for. Eh? Them the foolishness say you take me and make police come ask me for you. See them there. You don't know if it's thief. You're an idiot. You have to be. What? You have to be a professional thief. You can't be no petty thief with your petty friend them. Then we put you in a some like a petty problem.
Oh Lord, I'm tired. Let me call, see if I get Nick's phone. My phone I go straight to voicemail. I don't understand. Like, what the hell? Yo, that man, sometimes I just can't bother with nobody at all. And me, I try my best. Call him again. Last time. Why me I call him phone and a straight voicemail? I don't understand. You know me I go call my little brother because if him not the wish part him there, then something definitely wrong. See if I get all in because it's my next son, you know. From morning him all left out of the house and not even call me. But I not say a word, God. Junior, you know see Nick, I call Nick phone and I not get him. I not understand. From morning I call him, I'm gonna get him. And right now I just be and say me I go see if I get I go up at the house and see if I see him. Me ask if you see Nick from morning. That's all me I call you ask you know? Why the attitude? Oh shit, hold on. Me I get one call. That madman I call me, hold on. Me I listen what you say. What? Alright. Alright. You know me I go do. I can go panic and it's weird. I'm gonna feel like me and like
have you seen my heart? She has been running around in the crowd. Have you felt that feeling that makes you feel so proud? Have you ever felt like a king but you haven't been crowned? Shouting so loud, but the volume of the sound's turned down. Please tell me, have you seen?
So you never see me a call the phone?
Eh?
You never see me a call the phone?
See you call my phone?
Nick.
But wait. What you call my phone for?
What you mean me a call the phone for, babe? What you mean me a call the phone for?
As a matter of fact,
Me understand say you know me live and all these things because me explain to you say yes me live and blah blah blah. But what you doing here do? You have your man.
Question, are we not in a relationship?
How if you be in a relationship and you have your man? What kind of situation
So
that?
to how you treat me, Nick?
Wait. That not have nothing to do with it.
What you mean?
What you mean, so
What you mean? Me and my man, we're not even another 200, brother.
So because me have a conversation and we talk and you know we are just good friends, that means to me in a one relationship. We don't want friendship, it's different. But because a man is nice to you, is a problem?
Nick, I choose you.
You can't choose me. You have your man.
Nick, my man, me don't know where
You tell me say you have your man.
Yeah, me tell us I'm a man, but me don't know where him for right now.
So when there?
Right
When
now you must be at work. I don't know.
Exactly, man, at work. Are you there with me? What kind of
So
thing
you
that?
not even give me a hug, not tell you not happy to see me?
I don't want. I come and drop me, I drop down. Me not say me not happy to see you. But the way you greet me, hug me on my back and all these things. Come on, girl.
Oh boy.
Right now, you see me is a person with a stability me I look. See? But you already have it. Not because me might buy you one this and buy you one that. You change your whole code.
You treat me 100% better than how my husband treat me. I swear to you.
So what that mean?
Me choose you, Nick.
You can't choose me. It has gone through the gate already. It's like you sell a cow and hold on the tail. You can't do that.
So what you want me to do?
I don't want you to do what you have to do. You have to just forget about me. You don't want no problems. Right now, my life even complicated right now.
What you mean?
A lot of things going on. That me mean. You understand me I say? So don't make this thing because me, if you call me and me did it for you sometimes.
So one question, why you never answer my call?
Because I was on my phone. You know, see me did it on my phone a while ago. What you want from me right now? Because I can't give it to you, I swear to you. My life complicated. And there's a lot of things going on. You understand me? I say, you don't have a relationship. Nothing can go on, mama sitter. So don't get it twisted because...
But you put me on the spot.
Put
you
you
put
on
me
which
on
spot?
the spot.
What kind of spot you talk about? A G spot you talk about?
Alright, Nick. Alright. I'm gonna just stick to my husband, try work out back stuff, and just leave it.
Exactly what you have to do. That's the best way.
Fine.
A matter of fact, where you save my number as in your phone?
What you mean? I'm save a number as in my phone?
Come see your phone. See your phone. You can't save me as honey. Suppose a man go see that no problem, you know.
Nick, what?
I don't understand this a girl after this, but...
Sir,
Yeah.
miss, you can change $5,000 for me, please?
Yeah.
$5,000. Change it for me, please, my beg you. I knew 2,000 of them this.
Yeah.
Oh. 2, 3. They knew money at 2,000 of this. 3, 4, 5. Thanks, here. Alright.
Alright. So we 5,000, me not see it.
What do you mean?
We left on it, we have to change, me can take up it.
Me give you 5,000.
No, me not take up it 5,000.
No, man,
girl.
look if you drop on you over
No,
there for me.
it's 5,000 drop, me not take up it.
Miss, me come in here and ask if you can change $5,000 for me. You say yes. Me put it on for you and you take it up.
Me not take up it 5,000.
Looking at your
me not see it, me not
looking
take
at
up
your
it.
till or
Me not take
whatever.
up it.
You know, where
Me
you
not
put
take up it.
Miss, looking at your something if you put the money over there. Because me sure say me give you 5 bills. See them, let me show you. Say, look, at the $5,000 this way you give me, me not have no other
Me not
money
take
for
up it
me.
5,000. Look, if I put it back in my money, we take
No
up with the
man,
money.
see money here where you give me little
not
wine,
have
me give you
it.
5,000.
Me not have it 5,000.
Miss, me give you me 5,000.
Me not have it, me not take up it.
Drop
Me
over
not
this,
drop,
look.
me not drop, me not see it, me not have it.
Miss, you have to go look for it.
Me not have it.
Me give it, me give it.
Me not have it 5,000.
Me give it, me can't. But miss, me can't go give you
But
back
me not
this
have it.
5,000
Me not have
because
it.
you have
Me
my
not take
5.
up it.
Me give you
Me
my
not take up it, me not
5,000.
have it. See them here looking at your pants, see they not in there, me not have it.
Miss,
Me not have it, and it not drop.
you
See
don't
there,
know what
it
you
not
do
drop.
with it then. If
Me not have it.
Me no know breeze a blow through your window,
No
maybe
breeze
blow off
can't
over there,
blow.
so.
Look, 30 pocket could take
No man, you know in my pocket man, me just show you the money where in my pocket. See that the money where you just give me, see it here, $5,000 no other money no in there. How that 10?
Me not have it.
And this a 5. How that 10,000 in there?
Me not have it. None at all. I mean not see drop or nothing. Me not have it.
Well, me no know you have to go look over the card. See there, you know, me no see it, me no have it. See there, you know, they know we out there so no tall, no breeze no blow out there so.
Well, if you're sure so you not have it, take the money, man.
No man, me give you it man, me put it right there so, me put it.
Look, man,
And me
look
did
good
turn me
fine.
back
Look good
so
in
me
your
no know.
pocket.
Miss, you hang the money, you know, you're a shopkeeper, you know, maybe you put it in your
me
things
no,
and you
no, me
realize.
not have it. Me not have it. You know, did it? Me not
Me
have
can't
it.
do nothing about it, you know, miss, but me can't
But
give you back
me
this a
can't
$5,000.
lose my money.
No
so.
man, no, me make you lose
No,
it.
you
Look, when
can't.
you sweep, you will find it, miss.
No, miss, me can't lose
No
my
man,
money.
little
What's
more
up?
man. No man, little more
Woman,
man.
carry my money, come give me.
Girl, you text me somehow. Sometimes some people just don't get it, John.
Wow, look here, man. Mr. Nick James himself. Go on, sir.
What do you mean, say what I go on, sir?
Mr. Nick James, I've been looking for you, man.
Yeah, that is my name, but I don't understand. You just walk in here with gun and thing, what? I something do on the road,
Mr.
sir?
Brown, sir.
Mr. Brown?
Inspector Brown. And I have been looking for you for the longest of while.
Me?
Yes, Mr. James.
This and Nick here?
Yes, man. You have been eluding the law for the longest of while. But today is the last day you're running from me. Because see, I have you right where I want you now, man. So here what? We're going to do this the hard way or the easy way? You choose.
But choose from what, sir? I don't understand. You said choose from the hard way. I don't understand what you're here for. I am not a criminal, that's the first thing. I am not a person that's in trouble, that's the second thing. And I don't understand your visit here, that's the third thing.
This is what I get to understand with these people which are breaking the law. You know? Them act as if them bigger than the law and want to take Mr. Officer man like we are idiot. But I'll let you know, say I know everything that you're doing, you know. I know everything that you're about.
Me?
I know all what you're about. But you see, if you want some clarity, I have no problem.
Clarity?
Yeah, man, I can give you some clarity, man.
That's what you say?
I have a one question. I have a one question. What is the relationship between you and one Miss Kim?
Kim?
Yes.
What do you mean,
Don't
Kim?
me a talk, man. Just don't bother play around with the situation. Just answer me, no, man. What is the relationship?
I have no
Is
relation.
the woman?
Hold on. So you come check me about Kim. So that is the law me a break.
No.
This one thing I
man.
got serious.
See what I say? You know, always I try go on like you smart. Now me ask you a question because me simply want to find out something. Now me ask you about a specific individual. That is just one of the things I want me to check on. My question is, what is the relationship between you and Kim? Is she a woman?
What do you mean, woman? What you talking about? Like, say, me and she a joke?
In a relationship?
Like, me and she a joke and then something there?
Yes, Mr. Boss.
No, boss. Me and she no joke, sir. So if it's that you want to find out, go find it out from somebody else. This is the wrong Nick. You understand me I say? And why you walk around and talk about law and come to me about this woman? I saw you jealous, sir? Eh?
Where you get jealousy from?
What you mean jealousy? So you
don't
are
know
come
what
asking
you're
about woman
talking
and you
about,
come
you know.
talking
Just
about
simply
law.
ask
I
about
understand this
one
thing.
question.
And I said, me and she not joke.
You don't know she. Or you and she don't involve.
No, sir. So I understand. I think I need to leave my place here,
So
sir.
a false information me get then. That
You
is what
get?
you're trying to say.
So who tell them something, boss? Where you get them something from?
No, man, don't worry about it.
I no matter worry.
Don't worry about it, Mr. James. I have your pan file.
Me?
I have your pan file, man.
Boss, come out of me hand.
I have your pan file.
Boss, come out of me
You see
hand.
me? And remember,
I need to call police on you right now. That need to do.
say, your name is Nick James. You live right here, so I have your address. I also now have your phone number. So be very careful and tread lightly. Have a good day, sir.
Some Man, I come like a joker to baseball. Man, I give him bun. Eh? Are you near me, Easter Bunny?
Oh, you look so. Every day they're on the phone. Phone. No problem.
So wait, how you just walk through my door?
Why bigger one?
I'm in a business if
Me
you're...
and the bigger one.
I'm in a
you
business
the
if you're my
smallest one.
older sister. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm
play
the
the card,
mother.
yes, I know.
Time hot. I don't want to play no car park right now.
We have played the card. Come now. Here. So, tell me what me not just get straight to the point. What me? How you look so? You see, even though you're my brother and you know me not like you, I just not like your backside.
Me
So
not
you know
like
what
you
me I
either.
gonna tell you say? Listen to me now. Why problem? What really want? Let me understand now. Me a bigger sister. Remember
Alright,
say anything what at my brother and me I gonna respond to all of this.
Alright, me too well. Because me just want you to come out of me. You remember Dick? The best friend? You remember Dick?
Yeah, why problem?
You know what say? Police lock him up for no reason. And about a day him still done a station for no reason.
So how you get involved?
I don't involved, me just say. I don't like police. Police are they for protect we.
Or you not
Are
feel
they just
like
lock up
sometimes,
people
you
for
not-
no reason?
Or you not feel like police when police serve and protect.
So serve and protect what? All they want to do is full their pocket with money.
You see Nick family, all of Nick family, them mother, father, sister, all of them, the man on no body. You see bird of a feather flock together.
So
yeah?
what you are trying to say?
Remember me they tell her that. Anything happen to you, me I go respect. Which part of me there?
We're not afraid.
Okay. Me and bigger one, anything happen, and me I go respond to it. And me not go put myself in no problem for you. So remember me they tell her that.
Alright, whatever you say, me can take care of myself.
I last one in that me and you. You see, if me fi talk to you one next time, you go come out and love you.
That's why I'm gonna tell her that, you know. That's why I'm gonna tell her that, you know.
Go and play with your life. Yeah,
Just come out
with
of
your life. You
Just
soon
come out
let
of
me to come out of your room.
What am I? I never want to care about them. I don't know why. That's why I'm gonna tell them my business. I did that call lecture me.
Nick, I want to talk to you about this situation, you know.
Come on with thy son, man. Come on with thy son, no, man.
I can't believe you get catch my youth.
The only thing is, me I wonder who informed for me right now. Because everything when plan out, everything plan out.
Everything plan out and you get catch.
Yeah, but everything plan out, I don't know
So
if
who
I
you plan out things with? Mine then go inform on you, my youth.
You love talking to son? Corey, come on with thy son, no, man.
A son me born in a yacht about son every minute. I want to see you.
You see, based on this intelligence, because this have the intelligence from somebody. You understand? Because I secure everything to make sure say, we can hold our food, you know. But you know what? I swear to you, when the police them hold me, guess who me I see? Junior.
I lie.
Junior see me, I go in a police car. And it become me and my brother, you know. You understand me? I say, and him feel away and thing. Because even you and me not lie,
Stop
sometimes
talking.
more.
All right, I know what you say no make no sense. Nick, you're my brother. You are no fool. So I don't know how you make fooler than you fool you. So when you put yourself in a problem, Nick, that's police all hold you for me. original professional thief come bail you. What you think? You don't think nothing?
I wonder how you come down here.
How you come with your bag of story?
No, but...
Who send you to go thief? Huh, me? Eh? Who send you go thief? Me send you go thief?
No, I know you.
Listen to me. When me, the original professional thief, send you to go thief, you go thief. Once me not send you to thief, you're not supposed to thief. That's why you get catch.
But you never give me enough of the money last time you thief. You give me a little bit of money done too fast. So
No.
what me fi do?
Nick, hold
And me
on.
call you, hold on. Remember the day me call you in your house and me say, sister, you know, some more sort of a little thing. And you say to me, say, hold off. Remember me up on your phone.
Let me tell you something. Me and your sister, but you have to make it crowd know. Because if you put yourself in a problem, you don't want them to say...
Me and your sister. Me and your brother and sister. You make it sound like I'm a girl. And that I think with you, you know, make me look... but you don't know.
How style?
What you mean?
Me and you is brothers and sisters.
Well, say that then.
Right? But me no want the whole community know say we related.
What them know already?
What you mean?
What you mean?
Some people know, some no know. Who no know make it turn this up.
You see, when you walk in the jail and come bail me, and then see you, a matter of fact, when me see you, I say, oh, you for there, sir? But you say, you never get catch it?
You have it hard.
You never get catch it? You never get catch it?
Why me should I get catch? Me are the original Dan Gargan thief in this area anywhere me go. Nobody can catch me.
So
and I train me, they train you. And you not take the training when me I give you, or you fit take and disappear. You're going to take with that the youth there. I make them catch you and then me have to come bail you. My youth, not tell nobody say me and your brother and sister. Who know already. 1 million times they tell you the same story. Because me no want nobody come try to style me when you put yourself in a trouble.
Hold on, you talk about Junior, listen to me now.
Me no know why you go make a move, you know. You must
Junior
know,
never
you know.
Junior never come. It's like me telling to wait for me.
Who the hell is Junior?
You know, Junior man, well, live long.
He little youth,
yeah, with him.
we just left school, him about 17-year-old.
Yeah, with his sister were on control.
So big old man like you keep them the little youth they come to
I'm a
me.
brethren.
So you and him did stand up when the police come hold you?
When the police hold me, him a forward back with juice because I'm sending go buy drinks.
So lucky then they would have gone with him because they have one saying say, birds of a feather flock together.
But nobody knows me.
If they went come see the people then pick me with you, then gone with him. So you better be careful and you put Junior in a trouble, then me and him, mama and him, papa have to go in a problem sake of you. Next time when you go make some move, you inform me first. Let me tell you how to do it, because you don't know if thief. You think thief a boy? Eh? Thief is big man. You have to know how to thief. So I don't know where you go put yourself in a trouble and me. I feel like come bail you every minute. I want to see you, my youth. You seize yourself, man. Next time you go make no move, call me.
But the thing is this.
My bigger sister, you call me and inform me, me know where they go down. Say for not me, I can set two of my boys them out there so to look out for you. Until you when you come out when you lift up any little thing.
So you have no more things are going on?
Not tell me nothing. And not ask me nothing at
But
all.
the money done.
The
The
money-
money done. I bet you still have money.
A rich people money alone stay with them for long. Once you're poor, the little money where you have, if you not try to go get back some more that have you done. Learn that. Where you have to say about that. If you have one account in the bank with $1 million and every time you go and jaw, and you not put back none, you know most expect it to go done. Boy, no say nothing to me.
But for enough.
How
That's
enough?
a problem.
And my account you watch.
No, sis. No,
My account?
No, sis.
I go tell us something you don't know. The last time I go in my account is $0 in there. Because I have to issue out it to my brethren them where I make move for me more while. Me no and none. Right now, me desk, me broke.
So you have a next thing to go start out?
Yeah, man, but me roll up a big head slip first and start thinking about something else. Something else me a prayer now, something bigger. No mind chopper fly.
Yeah, put money.
No mind chopper fly, me fly out. Me think about it, you know, because I don't like how you beat, me know how you beat me up, you know, you beat up yourself. So me know how you beat me up, you know, my brother. God know, me not tell no lie, but me don't think about it still. Because you see them, the youth, the way me I make move with, them, the friend, the way me having on a play, you know. Yo, we all turn up your phone and take off your chain off your neck and you know, see, you know. Right in front of you, and them the kind of move them want you to make.
You hear one time say one youth went there one place and two girls and rub him down. And me watching two girls and rub down him man, you know. Take out his wallet, you know. Awa.
Remember, say me your brother, sister. Mind them rubbing them.
No, what you talking about? No, man, not like that, man. But guess what now? Me say,
I mean, in a family
me
man
see
thing, you
girl
know.
them rub him down and I
Mm.
take out him wallet, put back all him wallet in him back pocket, and he don't know nothing.
You know that me I tell you, I see if you make move.
So I say, daughter.
Oh, you mean?
All right, so you
Practice become perfect. You start thief from small until you start thief big. But if you're not smart, you'll get catch. You know what? Go on in your yard.
Sorry, I run me.
Go on. Go on, man. You know what?
All right.
Just gonna go through there, man. Just have to put in a thief problem. Where look for me, sucker? You know me?
What you mean by know you?
Girl, you know me? Where you know me from?
Me know you. Why problem? You can't stop me from look for you.
Alright, you know me. What about that?
You see you and your dirty family them, no worry yourself. Don't worry yourself.
And me and my family are address. I style
You
me and
and dirty Nick. You and dirty Nick, your dirty family, what on a bad breed. You.
Come here. Look
And
like
you
I
want me now, you come to me. Come out yourself, come to me now, brother. Why problem?
Oh, you want me to come to you? Let me come. Where you back for? Just come here, man. Maybe you know me long time.
Alright, talk what you want talk. Talk what you want talk. So, why problem?
You realize you're just right here, so?
Of course. Me never stutter with me attack.
You still attack. Come here. Come here. Wait.
And if I feel call that little boy or not, because I must do this.
Hello.
Hello? Which way are you?
Where else me dey home?
I come up there, I don't see you. That's why I call and ask you, where are you?
You could have never come up here and not see me.
Anyways, come here, because I must coincidence this. Just come to me now.
So why me? No, why me need to come downstairs? You know come upstairs and done.
Listen to me. Come here. Argument done.
Well, can't bother with the problem though. So I feel a problem now.
You feel that man side, so it's the same thing when I talk to you about, but you have to get yourself in a big problem.
And you can't be down here, I'm not come for no foolishness.
Me and Walker come over here and Nick dirty sister feel like say me and her. Actually, me say I hate the woman, you know? I hate her, you know?
You always hate people for no reason. You're
Me and Walker come about business and me look on her over, I look at the bush. Me don't know what she over there do.
So I look on her for.
Cause me know her.
No matter if you know somebody that go about your business.
And me go about my business after. And she come attack me. And push her bush in my mouth, you know, brother. She know what.
So what makes she choose to put bush in your mouth?
If girl asks me if me know her, and me say yeah, me know you what. And me tell her say she and I look a dirty family.
Alright. Hear the part there? How you have go to somebody You and him don't have no argument.
Listen to
And
me.
you
Why
go-
you try to come here so with? You try to defend them.
Me not defend
Your
them.
sister attack
But you have to look for it and look why you wrong. Why you have to go to somebody and disrespect them. You don't expect them to disrespect you. What do you mean you done yourself? Don't bother with your foolishness.
You know, seriously, bitter brother. Bushy pushing on mouth, you know.
Alright. The part there, she should not ever do that. But if you see something, leave it alone. You ever heard of hear or deaf?
You best if you move inside of me now. You best if you move inside of me.
Are you coming down there? No? Me never try to argue with you, but just to be honest with you.
It's like
She
a
should have
side
never-
you pick a side.
No, me I pick be the part
You
outside.
need to drop Nick company. I mean,
Alright,
and last
see
time
problem
me
there,
talk to you,
you want-
drop Nick company.
Yeah, try.
Nick know nobody, you know. Nick and dirty people, them know nobody, you know. I'm not going to talk to you again, you know.
Alright, you see problem this one? You want me to stop be friend with somebody.
You know
And
me
you
gonna
want that you want to start
You know
cause
me gonna
problem
do?
with
Me gonna
people
call
for no
your
reason.
mother. I'm going to call your mother and make you talk to her. Because come like, me and your big sister, me can't talk to you. You feel like you're a man.
And you can't be there now. And that's the funny part here. You want to start arguing with
You
people
ever
for
hear them
no
say
reason.
see and live with you are two different things? Alright.
Alright, you know what?
So go and pick up Nick company and think I write something here, you know.
Alright, you know what? That's why you deserve to get bullshit about, you know. That's why you have to leave people alone. You want to start arguing with people for no reason.
You
never expect them not to do so.
Me fling all the phone in your face. Move in front of me.
Fling it on my face.
Move in front
Fling it
of
on
me.
my face. Okay. Because I don't know why you call me down for.
You're like a nana sense. You alone, no?
Have you seen my heart? She has been running around in the crowd. Have you felt that feeling that makes you feel so proud? Have you ever felt like a king but you haven't been crowned? Shouting so loud, but the volume of the sound's turned down. Please tell me, have you seen my heart out there? Could you please tell me if she would still care? Yes. Have you seen my heart somewhere out there? Could you please tell me if she would still care? Yes. Cause I'm sitting here thinking, lifelines blinking, losing what's left on my nerves. Calculating where should I go, yeah, but my tracking device doesn't show, oh no. Could it be because I didn't pay attention? I really lost my true connection when it needed just a little attention. Have you seen my heart somewhere out there? Could you please tell me if she would still care? Yes. Have you seen my heart somewhere out there? Could you please tell me if she would still care? Yes. Memories, memories. There's all that's left from my heart. I wish I had a crystal ball, genie, a little love potion to bring back my heart back to motion. Yeah. Please take me home, somewhere out there. Could you please tell me if she would still care? Yes. Have you seen my heart somewhere out there? Could you please tell me if she would still care? Tell me, have you seen my heart somewhere out there? Could you please tell me if she would still care? Have you seen my heart? Oh yeah.
Can I ask you one question? Why you drag me out of my house, sir?
What do you mean by why me drag you to the house, sir? Me and your big sister.
Me tell us about come
I
out.
you run things or me run things? Which one? Me not understand.
Me tell us about come out for eat. When you want to do that my bed.
Anyways, from when I see Nick,
Why you ask me about Nick?
from when I see Nick.
You see him one cuss me out other day about me if stop be friends with Nick. Why you ask me about Nick now?
Oh boy, from when I see Nick. Answer the question, no, brother.
Why you going to worry about your man? And why you worry about Nick for?
My man and my problem, no worry about that. That's bigger than you right now. So you're still not answer the question, where is Nick? You're not see Nick from morning.
Well, you see him one tell me if you stop talking to the family, you know. Me are friends with Nick for a long time. And you just come and tell me if you stop be friends with him. And now you can ask about him. You're confused? No, me ask you honestly, you're confused?
So you know when Nick then?
Stop, please. Nick near your house. If you want to find out which part Nick there, go and go look for him. And you see, you're confused?
Alright. You know, I'll go bathroom and come back. Oh, wait.
Go on the bathroom and wash off your face, because I don't know what I'm doing.
Junior, what going?
Be good.
Everything, Chris?
Yeah.
So you say that way, Junior.
Me there.
How is your sister?
You know, say, he got a bathroom.
In a bathroom. Oh, nice. You know, say nobody come around there since your sister.
Where me come round there?
I'm talk about it, no man come at the yard, man. No, you're a virgin, you know. You know this, you know. You can talk to me, you know.
Alright, first of all, no. But I don't buy business what my sister do behind fear back. But I say
A man-to-man thing, listen, brother. Me say, me can protect you in the streets, you know. I mean, you want me name, you know, man.
that's how it kinda like our check, you know.
No, if you be threat, me say me can protect you in the streets. So if anybody if you step to you a certain way, and me have your back.
Alright.
Just like how me have your sister, I look out for your sister, I check for your sister. Someone know if nothing go on, you see me? Someone be in a case wherein should in case you nothing go on, you can squeeze me, and if you see nothing, you just pinch me.
In other words, you want me to tell you if my sister, they would want next man behind your back.
Me no want you, alright.
Just
But me no want you say it that way. They look when you say it that way, they sound a waste still, you see me? But you don't know as a man-to-man link, you see me? Why you just
no way you say playboy. Nobody that my sister don't talk to nobody.
she not talk to nobody.
No.
You sure?
Yes.
You not lie to me, general.
Alright. Man to man, she not talk to nobody else. But me don't know what she do outside her house still. But if you want me to be your eyes and ears, you know, me will tell you what going on. But
That
me
is it,
personally, I'm not a watchy pumps. Me don't watch woman.
Nah, skip it.
And what make it worse, I'm a sister. So that weird on top of it. But if you want to be your eyes and ears, me will tell you what I'm going. But
Yeah.
you have to put a little money in my hand. You have to scratch my hand, me go.
That sound like an extortion, my G, man.
Brother, you want information. I basically exchange of information, you know. A legitimate business this. If you want info, you have to put something in my hand.
Unless my brethren try to extort.
Me just tell you a little bit, say nothing I go on in the house. You have to put it in my hand.
Like how much money we are talking about, sir?
Me don't. Alright. Me not gonna beat you, man.
Mm.
To want to start out, give me a little thing. Me not busy too much.
You know, man.
Just
Yeah,
scratch
so
my
watch
hand,
out now. Yo, I'm mind for deal with it. You hear that?
Yeah, man. No worry, son.
Right, you see me?
Yeah.
Alright, make sure you know.
You could have never put a little boy party.
No, I go on. Alright, that's right. Oh, go on, so just screech up a month, sir.
What do you mean me and speech?
Yo, beg a minute, here, boss.
Junior, where you going?
No, but what deal with what I deal with? Me go, me have to get that thing.
I moved from the other day, my girl.
How me a move?
Like I move. I hear certain things in the streets and it I'm a paranoid because I don't know me check for a certain way to be. I'm gonna like them things that I hear and I love you, you know. Kim. I love you, you know, Kim.
What me I do? Just talk to me. Come to me straight.
What you do, Kim? Here say you have people that come to your yard, Kim, and you link, you have other man, Kim, I'm gonna like them
People
things.
come to our yard, our house.
So like them things that I talk about because I work and you know I work hard and I work tirelessly in the hours them Kim I have man I come on my yard and them something them I don't like that come Kim and cause you know I love you know. You don't even know certain things you know Kim.
But me not do nothing. I just me, you and brother the one. What kind of information you get? I don't understand.
Kim I want you to know so you know the line of work with me doing and you know anything I want to find out I can't find out. I know the right door them for knock and forget whatever information we need to get. Kim, if certain people come and say certain things to me, Kim, evidence them things and them something like concrete.
You don't trust me then?
Yeah,
You're trying to tell me you don't trust me?
Kim, right now I don't know if I trust you still not to be honest enough. Because I'm in fear right now because what me hear and the person when me hear it from, nah lie to you, shift up my meds, Kim, you make my ball. Big man, and you know my mother tell me I'm not a ball for woman, I make my ball that day they came. Ball, live in your water.
So you bring it out here, so why you never wait until I reach home?
I'm not bring it out here, Kim. Remember we don't talk about this already, but it's just something that every time I see you, I tell him, and I tell no lie still, no, Kim. Every time I see you, it just hurt me.
Listen to me.
Hurt.
I'm not doing anything. This is me and this is you. We are both in this together. What are you talking about?
So, me and you sit down here so right now, man told me. So if I call a name to you right now, it now go affect you, ring a bell now.
You don't need to call a name.
No, but I have to call a name.
Why you have to call name?
Do you know one Nick James?
What? What are you talking about?
No, you hear me the name I say a while ago, you know. Nick James.
I don't know. I can't recall.
Why you can't look me straight in my eyes and tell me this? Look me straight in my eyes and tell me say you don't know Nick James.
Babe, just come after that now. I don't know the person. I don't know nobody by that name.
Kimbo, you can't look in my eye and tell me this. You know see it, you have to look beside me. You can't look me straight in my eye. You don't love me no more. And that you really tell me?
We can't take this further. Home, when I need to discuss all of this on the road. Just trust the process. Just trust me.
Right now the process of behave away, you know, because see me bring up one name there and I can't get a straight answer about the name.
I don't have a clue by that name.
So that's the people that tell lie on you then?
Most likely.
Jesus Christ. Why, Kim? Don't know, Kim. I want to believe you, you know.
Babe, just look out for that now. Look out for that. What you feel inquire about right now is the fact that me, I walk on the road one day and this long time big man come and rush me. Keep me in a be.
You talk about? Which woman you talk? Who do that? Who do that?
What's your name again? Angel.
Angel?
Yeah.
Angel ramp with you?
Keep me be and push a bush in my mouth. And them things they
you say them disrespect that? My woman? And my woman she disrespects her?
Right out on the road.
You're mad man. What you talk about?
And then somebody you fear talk, but you come and bring up
Does,
people.
watch on, man. Don't say a word. Cause Angel, you know, so I think me have a case I go on for that person. I hear the name there already, you know. I'm not sure who it lock with, you know. But I know me hear the name there already.
I never feel too comfortable about the situation.
Yeah, baby, man, I'm sorry. Boy, I never know them something, baby. Never know, man. I'm sorry, no, man. So, sure. I don't want nobody mess with my girlfriend, you know, man. Yo, so, but you know, you're alright, though.
Yeah, alright.
You sure?
Yeah,
And them some boy, people don't like to talk about foolish them. But my while me I tell you,
what
just
you got about the whole situation?
give me my what me I gotta do. As soon as me go back to work, my girl, me I tell me I go sort out that man. Angel man, I go deal with the angel man, I go find out who name some man. Cause I don't tell you so we supposed to have something on file for that woman that the name they sort ring a bell somewhere along the line. But we're not sure yet, but we're gonna connect the dots. Yo, you know man.
So we're gonna do we're gonna go home now, right?
No, what you know, I have to go up on the road because I have a one arm link to make. So as soon as I make that one link there, I come home. But when I can do still, I drop you off. Cause yeah man, I rather drop you home. I don't want you to walk.
But remember saying me alone and me and my brother?
No wrong man, I don't care to no woman, I want to you man. Get with things man. Things don't carry you home baby. Sure. Where brother there? Call him now.
So now you and him did there so all along?
Come now, Junior man. Sure. Carry on home, yeah?
Yes, Scully. No, sir. There from money place that look bleaky. You know the thing already. No, man, my sister come bail me, man. My sister come bail me out of jail and thing. But brother, I couldn't call her because my phone went dead and it's sitting there. I one phone call me get and him say for call, who for call and my sister number call. Yeah. Everything good, man. My day I go on. What you say? 15? 15 smarty? 10 grand? 150? No, sir, that can't work. That can't work for me, boss. No matter what you say right now, that sounds like I want a whole heap of rat and try to dig one whole one now exist. Depend on that. Yeah, man, try to find somebody else, man. If that's over the case. Yes, sir. Big up yourself and thanks for check me still. I'll delete my number to you. What go on, sis? I'm shout if I don't say come like and chat to me. What? You have me up? For what? Me heavy, you know, you pop your back.
Heavy, me can't teach you sense, you know the ropes. You know, say me come, you move your slippers them out highway, because them take up space.
Alright, sister. The day just now run right.
And what happen now?
Nothing now go on. That's a problem. Nothing now happen.
Well, me come to show you how to make something go on.
What you mean?
What you mean? Or what me mean?
Yeah, what you mean?
Oh, bro, you see me? You know me, like how me know me. Me, a professional thief. Me, a no petty thief. When your teeth small, you're easier to get catch than when your teeth big. Watch out.
What that mean?
What you mean? The majority of things with me teeth, me write it down from day one. Some of them me not even get to write down it yet.
So what can I about this?
But a whole heap of things with teeth and I write it down yet. Me just I'll show you a few of them. Use your head. Get a book on anything with your teeth. On whatever day, you jack it down in a one book. Yes, it makes sense. So the next time when you have got teeth, you know you want something bigger than that there with your teeth, that the time there. My book, you know where I'm marking there? Look,
The
you
Book
can't
of
read.
Thieves?
Book of Thieves. That means say you have to really, you have to reel pan the teeth in. You have to big in the teeth in. You can't be no little small teeth. Really.
Day 1, 6 bikes.
Bike.
Day 2, 4 cars.
You don't know the big yang them. Big Humba bike, you there one day.
Day 3, 2 bus. Day 4, 3 bag of rice. Ratchet, child.
Yes, it's the money I make, boy.
You're happy, you're happy
Money I
for
make.
food.
But really going down.
Day 5, 20 bag of chicken.
Chicken and chicken back.
Day 6, 13 bag of chicken back.
Yes.
All of them things we are thief. Where money there?
What you mean where money there?
You don't get no money?
If me not get them for sell, me name them myself. All the bike and the car. The bright.
My sister come like a joke too.
I don't know joke thing. Then if you have something and you dey sell it and you can't sell, where you go do? Make use of it yourself. What me fi do dash away? Me nah go dash away. Me drive the car myself. Me ride the bike myself. The chicken and the chicken back and the rice if you can't sell, me cookie and near me and my friend them. How do you? What you mean? You think a joke thing this?
Alright, so right now, come on, you tell me say you want to start one little thing which day there. So, all of them things are accomplished already, or you want
No,
to
I
do?
have pen for my diary, you know, when me jot down my things them like a joke thing, you know. A serious thing this, you know.
Me mean say if you start them out already.
What you mean?
You did it already?
Them I must have them when me write them down for like a fool. You have to take them way first, thief them first, and then you write it down in a one book. For your member, say you went thief that and you get away and don't get catch. Because not everything you thief you go remember. Because you see true, me a professional thief, a whole heap of things me thief, me now go remember some of them. So because me want to remember all of them. Everything when me thief me want to remember. Me write it down. I just feel little something me not write down yet, and then there one place touch off. Which me write the day them already, me just not write the item beside it. You can see? Yeah. So when you're the thief, man, be smart. You have to be clever, wise. You know? Think positive and focus. You're a thief and make police lock you up for your pint backlands on little foolishness like a stacky. You idiot?
Because right now, my brother just called me from my phone.
So what?
Hear the man tell me say, he have one little work to go start out, but my people $10,000. And a 15
I wish
away.
boy that.
A 15 away upon the work. So, a 10,000 a man.
No man.
So basically,
Don't go panic.
that sound like some setup
No
business.
money no did they so $10,000 no nothing. 15.
I see him
Uno.
say,
They pan the one little job. When one or two somebody could have go and go mash it down and then the money split in a two, no go nowhere.
Nothing me I go
No
now.
mind chopper set him and set you up.
That's one I got set up to
The
me.
minute me have to come bail you, I want me to you.
I don't like them something else still. But at the end of the day still, right now, me I look something for do an idea. So you have an idea? How can do an idea? Because idea bleak, you know. People like them business place them time.
Me I wonder if things them when me have either in that place where me not write down yet. If me can give you one of the items them, go see if you can make a money pan you get a thing. Instead of going on that they deal there with them at about 15 person and 10 grand. You mad?
Alright, so we're going to make it work.
My youth, tell us something.
Well,
Let
me
me tell
have
us
to
something. Let me tell us something tapping eyes. Because you always do wrong thing, you know. Yes, when me thief, me not take it for myself, you know. But me not make nobody know.
Oh, you sure?
Me rob the rich people them and go give poor people them. Then can send them youth to school, pay them bills, buy them picnic school book, and then something and buy food to eat. Yeah man, me help out the people them in that area, but I show me and you alone and brother and sister. We no cousin, nor no mother or father. We are brother and sister. Make me they tell you, because I trust you to tell them my business. You have to help out the poorer class of people them. You know, see you tax them high.
Tax them go high, man.
And they
But
no
sister-
business, you know, fear for rich people and poor people are pay the same amount of tax. A wickedness.
Sister, right now, one thing I want to tell you.
So we have to rob them.
That's true, but right now, me empty, you know. Because you sound like you give out to people and me not get none. Because you not come check me.
You know, me if you can't check you.
What you mean you not come? Me don't know what you do.
Are you if you can't check me, man, are you if you link
No,
me.
time I come over here, I'm going to see your sister. What you
Are
talking
you
about?
broke and are you hungry?
Yeah,
It's
but
not
me come in here, come check you, me call up your phone, me can. Right now, I'm glad to see you.
No, if me busy, you know, I'm there on a mission, you know. And you call me, I can't answer no phone, you know. Because I try to complete the mission, you know, to move and take with myself from that area then. Me nah no time for answer no phone. But me can link you now. As me tell you, say, me can give you one of the things them when me start off. You go make a money pan it.
Today?
Oh, you mean?
Alright,
You
go
make
for
a money pan it. And you give me a thing and fight. Y'all can take the more side still. Because to me have, you know, me have some money put on one place still. But to want that to do something.
Yeah, money put on one place.
Me nah go give you none of that. Me I give you something for go sell and you make a money, take it more side and give me rest.
Alright.
Alright.
So you what you do? Walk a back because we have some muddy. You understand? Because when rain fall right there, so have one up mud, I don't want you to slide and hurt yourself. Yeah?
Alright.
So look come on. Come here, come go in and now, Rina. Take your time and come in. Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
Later.
Yes, I know.
So, oh, you know, so you're so, I don't understand.
You mean by how I know, say? So them in a police officer. I want to get all information, man. Right, yes, I'm going to get it. And information concrete.
So you want me to come with or you alone we go?
You can forward, man. But you have to go do this right away.
You really want me to come with you?
Yeah, man, you can come or you can stay in the car, whichever one you're choosing. But me I go deal with this like a man. Wait, this is a woman I look for. Eh? I say you there? Hello, I'm talking to you now. Are you come to you?
Don't touch me.
What do you mean by don't touch you?
How you do? Assault me? You think that you have police me afraid of you? You act like me wrong do what happen?
You know, say, my woman tell me what go on. Kim come tell me say you assault her, you know. You beat her up, you know. I'm gonna make you know this, you know, you're not bigger than this liar, you know.
Kim
and
not
this
tell her
liar
what she
show
do.
you thing, you know.
Kim
What
not
you mean
tell her
by
what
Kim
she
not
do.
tell you what she
Okay, so true. Kim are you what? Are you girl or your sister or you what? Me no care, could have
do.
been your
No
mama.
matter how
Kim
she
not
want be. Look here now. You disrespect me, you know. And you disrespect my woman. And you gotta pay the consequences. And you
So
gotta suffer the
your
consequences
woman not
them
tell
for this.
you say she attack me.
Which
you
man
come
she
to
attack
me.
you?
Wait a
Right
minute,
now
you
she
did it?
feel pain
Which
because
part
of
she
you,
feel
you know.
pain? So me a feel pain. Me a feel pain. If
Hey.
she a feel pain, me a feel pain too.
Hey, lady, no.
Leave me alone.
What you talk about? What you do? Hey, woman, no. Hey.
Nick! 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 Oi. Nick! Nick!
Hey! Go call Nick. What happened to you? Nick is not here. What happened? What happened?
Dirty police boy, they come fight me off in a shortcut when me a come. How me kicking woman in a embassy and he come fight me, hold me down and a barely licky boy a lick me. He lick me go so and he lick me come back so, left and right. Me couldn't even get fist him in his face because the boy big and thick and come like one big old rusty dirty cow. The boy hold me down and a barely lick him and lick me.
Why you fight you?
He fight me. The dirty police boy was saying him Chaz Brown down a police station the way they walk and I look every girl and I go on like he and no girl personally for him personal woman. Him a one little dirty butterfoot girl there. The girl pass and I come style me and uno. Oh, me and my brother and my sister, them thief, and we are this and we are that. So to me beat up the girl. The girl go report to him.
So hold on there. If Chaz fight you.
Chaz fight me, I come look for Nick round here. And when me catch him in shortcut out, they say, and I know say boy hold me down and lick me in the top, lick me.
Report him.
Me nah report him, you know.
Me say report him.
Me have to frig him up back, man.
He not supposed to lick you.
Come tell me how me beat up in you, man.
So you couldn't record him.
The way boy I lick me from left to right, me not even remember say me a phone, me not have no time for things say. Me feel record the idiot. I beat him hold me down on the ground in the grass. Me couldn't even move, all me they allowed.
Jesus God.
And he fist me in my face.
Go on, doctor. Let me follow you, go, doctor.
Right now, a difference in me and pre, because me have to mash him up. And anyway, me catching little dirty, stinking butterfoot, rusty face girl, me a bust up in head.
Then I see me going to beat you up, then I say, hold on there. Hold on there.
Sister, no, say me have one plan, though. Me have one plan for you dirty boy, because me nah make it go so. You know, say me a bad girl for a long time. Then if me a thief and not get catch, me no must can do him sitting and don't get catch same way. Make it all we plan for you.
Me and you for plan for you?
Yes.
You a thief and I get catch, and I'm a thief.
Me not a thief. The whole of we a thief and they know say
and the whole of we come here not thief.
You better learn to thief. That's why you are dead for hungry down here. Oh, that's why you have to call me for money every time. It's so much time. Where you think me get the money them when me get? Where you think me get them from? Thief things and sell you and carry money come give you. Because I don't want to no suffer on my family. Me I tell you.
Stop give me your money. I don't want my money from you. But me not agree for the dirty nasty boy if he come beat you up. What kind of plan you have for him? Because anything you have planned for him, me not it.
When you act like I say you want him. Act like you want him. Me I go set up somebody for somebody show him you. But you know if you act like me and you related, because you don't know we. You don't know all the way.
He knows
He don't know nothing about you. He know my brother. He know my next sister. And my next other brother where we have round the road. He know them, he don't know you. Because you recently come in that area. Me go set up somebody, me then go talk to him, and then show him you. But you act like you don't know where I go down. Make him come put argument to you. First if you act like you know you know nothing with him. At the end of the day you don't want him, you know, then you start drawing to him like you want him. Me and you have to fight him back real hard. We are going to beat him up and make we poison him.
Jesus Christ, look how far you gone.
I want poison him. Sis, I don't want licking give me no, and two, you know. And 3, you know. Just to me beat up in little dirty foot woman we are style with family. My mother tell we say, remember when I did smaller and tell we. So we know if we make nobody
you
style
want repentance grown, but he deserve for dead for true.
No, I'm not going to repentance.
And then you can't go repent
before time, because I go
the boy really lick you, the dirty boy that
you
lick you.
You not seeing so up my face.
Me have to lick him back.
Me can't take this man. He lean with me say when the boy box me so and he lick me so and he carry me job one gun way around there so me nah make it go so. He say make me your poison him. Me have one plan for him. Him and him woman you know. You know what I say? When the plan for bust up in one face you know.
So we are the woman
and then the woman see me a roadside. I pick some seriously and pass and they steer for me one kind of way and then when me ask him, say, where you look for me so far? The girl start styling all away. Oh, I know we and the whole away are thief and we are dirty this and dirty that and so me beat up a girl. So the girl now go tell him and through him a police if he say I'm a bad man. Meet me pathway, beat me off properly and feel say it all go so well. You see if you not help me sis, me alone will deal with him. Yeah. I rather go there with a bad man to go for him, but he nah get away with it.
No man, me nobody go there with no bad man. Too much bad. Everything you have to do bad. Everything you have to think about bad. Bad man, we kill you.
Me dead already. I am a walking dead, but me not making get away with it.
We help you. I'm going to help you out.
Yes, act like you want him.
Me go act like more. But I'm going to poison him.
No man, me poison the drunk crow. You just give him beer liquor, knock him out, and then me poison him.
But the business what you want to do with him after.
Yes.
But the only thing when you do is beat him up back.
That's also, no.
Beat him up back.
Me a poison make him dead because he know he do no more woman so again. Before the boy see me and come ask me when me and him girl have, the boy just start beat me so. Sis, enough he go so. He kick me, he lick me, he do me all kind of sitting. I mean I like when people lick me, he can't get away with it.
No man, you know forget it with you. Our father never beat you from Barnet, man. So a man fi come a beat with you. No
You
man,
see,
not
any
beat
woman,
you, know.
me did a sorry for woman, you know, because one time my woman have to come tell him, say, if let me go, you know, and my knee hurt me, if go to prison, you know, and I woman, they dry him off of me, you know, and I see him, girl, carry me name to him, make him come fight me, and I do it off a standard style, like I say, I help me out. You see, one time I see him watching me and him. Sis, me not turn no longer, you know, because right now, me hear that, me say, any one of them first, me catch you, we see. God, me think Nick did there. Me think Nick did there.
So what you did do? Comfort Nick, your love one time your brother got jail?
Me bail him.
That's all your things that happen?
And my brother, me bail him.
So hold on there. Nick not have family?
Yeah, you have family, but sometimes I know every family you must make know your business. Because then say when I sink you.
So Nick not have in picnic? I never feel picnic.
No, I feel picnic, but the girl run with gone with the Ghana foreign. So Nick not no problem, I know more than he ever hungry, ever broke, ever want money, thief and get catch, and me bail him after.
So you think so them that style they are no good style?
I don't know good style because he not listen to me. I don't learn to thief the right way, and that's why I get catch.
You know for top thief.
You know, say thief. When they kneel up God upon the cross, and I see one thief side of him. You know what I say? I agree.
A two thief did the best. Turn up and listen what me I say. A two thief
right,
did
you know, a different sitting here talk about, and
girl,
you know what I mean, go for you, boy.
A two thief did the beside him. Let me tell you if you never know. One on the left, one on the right.
Me know.
And guess what happened? One get forgiveness, but the other one did two presumptuous.
No man, me not presumptuous. God will forgive me because boy they too bright.
That's why you fit a thief. And be the thief where God did forgive. Every day I just get up a thief, so. I make you like a style all me. We're not involved in a thief in Galangin.
Sis, me come go here now because me not say me not go tap thief, you know, but I don't know. That me I tell you.
When time then catch you try to not call me.
They not catch me.
You hear the only thing me I gotta do, I help you beat up at the police boy because him deserve to get beat. I'm in a hit with you.
Yes,
you
understand?
understand?
If you think about we can't thief and I get catch. Me I worry about me a professional
brother.
thief. Me a Nick, a real thief.
Go along, me and a real jacket. When we have jacket for true.
Cut to fit though.
My pa never thief, my man never thief. I don't want to get for no thieving attitude from. I don't want to get it from.
From my great grandma.
Mighty God.
Yo, Wagwan. See me see a car out there saying a bridge. You know if I want man I call him, man.
Sorry about that. You want to know, say, I threw the phone up on silent.
Oh, you can put your phone on silent, bridge. Businessman, you know, man.
I mean, I threw me a left from here, and you know, say, me the old moms. Phone up the on silent, so I didn't remember to take off. But you what? You just say your plan, I work out perfect.
For real?
Because you're a boy. I beat up people, you know, so you look like you soon can't take film position at workplace.
For real? Oh, yeah, say, man, a good news that, man. For real? You see that quick plan and work out my youth? You know what I do? Just turn in, you know, man. Put a tree in that head, you know. Yo, how you say, man?
Here I go. Here I go. I'm going to be honest with you and tell you the truth. He's a messenger, he's not a killer. And I never signed up for this, so. Sorry, you're on your own pan now.
No, man, all of that made a deal, man. Just work out.
No, man, you have to go figure out that part there. Here, look at me. Here, later.
So, me.
Every day the same thing. You have pay bills in here? What your problem?
What is your problem?
Me
You
need
see how time after you come to that for the time it.
Me need to talk to you. Get up.
So why you have to turn off your phone? Unless you say time out.
You have the fun and all you got to hear what me I say. Get up now, brother.
No problem.
Me need you to go up on the road go pay some bills.
So why you don't do it?
Ask me. I want a bigger one. Me need you to go up on the road go pay some bills.
So
but
why-
by the time I'm a man, I'm not go up on the road. So you must decide what you want. Is either you burn up in the house, because you love use fun. So make up your mind.
So why not just ask Chaz? What Chaz I do?
Just gonna work. You don't know that, brother. You go for the money. So you know say you have to go.
Alright, how much bills you have to pay?
You know say light, water, internet, plus the gas are done. So you know that.
So why you have to carry gas tank for me back?
Listen to me. Me I can't go for the money. I'll give me it done.
Alright, but you have to give me a piece of money for myself.
I'm fine.
But you have to tell me if you have buying now, you want me just.
Junior.
Call on.
So, I try to call the phone, General, I can't find him, I can't get through to you. What, things change or so? Me have virgin, you know.
Yeah, brother, but a lot of things are going on with me right now from when my sister I take me out to her house.
I mean, sister, take it out, what you talking about?
Like even other day we go on at some restaurant. Even right now she send me for an errand if we go and pay some bills.
You sure? Because I guess from the last time when the police were hold me and things, I don't see you from that. I mean, I said to myself, I wonder if that traumatized everything
No,
and you
man,
feel like
brother,
some
you
boy.
don't have to worry about that. You already know some. Me know say police are idiot.
Alright, so what am I going to ask you still? Where your sister there? Sister there?
Yes, she up right now.
So, no, I don't want to see her if you want to talk with her because it's been a while, you know, when I chat about certain things.
We want to talk to my sister about. What do you mean, you know, you who... Let me calm down for a second. Why you want to talk to my sister?
I want to reason with her because some stuff I go down where I want to understand where it come from.
Why?
Bro, me and a friend, you don't have to go on so aggressive and I think, you know, things the boy you have to. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but if other day she asked me about you, so me want to know if so go on.
But me and she know nothing because I tell her from point blank say it's a code where if your virgin having sister, you and her can't involve.
So what that mean?
That means that me not involved with her.
What that mean?
That means that me and she not joke. That me I talk about.
Right now me I get flustered and confused.
But why you go answer, bro? Me a virgin now, my lad. Me don't understand why you take things from a level of a king. You want to go on now. Since I say you want to take it, me I bring you so then. See? You see for your sister, carry man come up on my sister yard and come beat her up. And that me I talk about. Where she there? More understand why she had them things here. You know, and please tell me say you don't have nothing to do with it.
Alright. First of all,
You ain't did it?
me never did that. Second, whatever go on with my sister and for your sister, are because my sister tell me say your sister fight her and put bush now. Me tell
My sister don't fight nobody. My sister don't stay so.
well, my sister want liar.
So alright. So alright, sister
Alright,
business.
listen to me for 1 second now.
Yo, brother, yo, me tell you this,
Listen
man.
to me
You
now.
see, oh, you flex right now. You know something, and you can't believe your father for your sister. You know she's there. She a troublemaker.
Are you?
Your sister come down on my yard, I come hug me up like say me and she and things, and I come tell me about say like babe, I call me babe and all these things. See? So me I say to myself, say why is that?
Alright. And you come to me and tell me say you want to see my sister. Brother, to be honest, me not make you see my sister because me no want you to see my sister and you have a plan for my sister. Even though me and your friend, me no want you to see my sister.
But see your sister, yeah?
I walk one sir. Why you stand up here, so look how long I send you out, brother.
You just send me out the house.
Junior, a long time I send you out and you come here so come stand up and talk to Nick.
Just go and do your thing, bro. Me go talk to your sister for 1 second because there are some things I have to reason with her, bro. You know, trust me, brother. Me a friend for a long time, you know, bro.
Why you want to talk to me?
I need to have a conversation with you, a serious conversation. I don't know, joke business. You understand
Junior,
what I'm
just go and go do what you do and hurry up and come back.
Alright, here we go now. It's a situation where My sister, a complaint say you bring police come out to come beat her up. Is that true, ma'am? So, me I
Hold
get to
on.
understand.
Yes, sir.
What me I say, you know, me I say, you always stubborn and that I think I'm not like with you. Because, you know, every time me I try to explain something to you, you now get it. But listen me I say now, why you bring man, or did you bring police come over my yard, my sister yard, to beat her up?
Yeah.
You bring police come over my sister yard,
Me bring police up there.
and you're proud of it.
Then your sister I go push bush in my mouth.
My sister not push no bush in her mouth. She said she not push no bush in her mouth. So you're proud of that then, right?
Of course me proud.
You're
What
proud
you
of
mean
it?
if me not proud?
So that's how you take things now? That a go on? Eh?
Your sister put bush in my mouth, brother.
She not do that, man. She not gonna do that.
See,
My sister
you
is
call
not
me
like
a
that.
liar. You
Of
call
course,
me
me
a
have to
liar.
call you a liar. My sister not a liar. And my sister not gonna tell me say she not push bush
Me
in
a
her
walk
mouth.
go about my business.
Yeah, what about your business? You troublesome woman. I know you love trouble people.
Nick,
Eh?
you know the best thing I did. Just move from my gate, brother.
If you
Just
move
move
from-
from my gate.
I mean, something move from your gate. What you talking about? Kim, how make you step to me like that, Kim?
Brother, I'm done with you now. I'm done with you for good. Done with you for good.
But,
Just move from my
but there was
gate.
nothing like done with than this. We were just brethren and friends. Some understand where you come stick me up like say boy, and there was something more to it.
Yeah, accuse me of saying me I tell a
So
lie.
you say you bring man come on my yard. Which man I bring from my yard? My sister yard. I keep on saying my
One
yard.
policeman.
I'm policeman. You hear me go do? Me gonna left in your yard. You hear Kim? I'm gonna left it right there, so. So anyway, Marga, they say Papa.
Are you make it reach us, you know?
Me?
You make it reach us, but just left and come out of my place. Love and hate have a thin line. Right now, just move out of my place, my brother. She not even know. She not even know what you do, you know. Just
So
come out of my place.
A violence you bring to me, Kim?
Come out of my place, my brother.
That is another hot day, I swear.
Oh, God.
What you did there?
I did that at door.
What you been doing?
It's hard because I'm never staying here.
Man, tell you. So you say you good?
Yeah, my alright.
What you did out the door though?
But just sit down there in the house. I don't know why you staying at the house on the outside.
Yo, well, I tell you, I can't bother. Tired, I just want to lie down. But today I lie down, I'm not lie to you, I've been doing some thinking. You know, so we've been through a lot. Yeah, man, for the past month, feel like we go through a whole heap. And I want we start afresh. I want we start anew, I want we start afresh. I want we put all our the happenings behind us and go forward. What do you think?
Yeah, we can do that. We can trust the process.
Trust the process. That never sound too bad. But I just want to just forget everything that had happened and we just build on our future going forward. And just know say we are in this together and more you can trust me and I can trust you. We can do that. No more, I don't want no more stories or no more here so no man a come and no that and them things. I want all of that just be behind us. And so more we go forward. And big man thing, I don't want to hear no more name calling, no more rumors. Worst of all, I really don't want to hear nothing more about no more Nick James. That name, I don't want to hear nothing about.
Alright.
Make sure you know.
Yeah.
Good?
Well, yeah, we're good.
Alright, so you say I cook.
I don't know where you want to tell me I want to eat.
Yes, I'm not telling you I feel for some stew peas.
Stew peas and what?
Stew peas and white rice, man. You don't know you cook the food nice already, man. I like little tomato,
So,
man.
you
Do
know,
that.
come help me. So we can just cook together.
You know that is not a bad idea. We can bond doing that. Alright, you go and go start the pot. I'm the right back of you, alright?
Get up. So we are good.
I'm the right back of you, man. Go on, man. Stop going, so. Sure. Alright? Sister. Sister. Me hear what going on, you know. But how long me want come check you? How long? Me I go down at the yard, go check the girl. And the girl like talk all kind of foolishness. She a go on like she proud of what she do. Yeah, dirty girl. So guess some more we do. A union professional thief. Want to kidnap her and hold her at ransom. You understand me I say? And make some money. So when you hold her now, when the dirty boy I go get her, we make him pay $2 million to get her back. Can't get her back. What you say about that?
$2 million, you say?
Yes, or more.
That's for $2 million no money.
One fee and one for me.
1 million Jamaican dollar. Then that value nothing. I just start spending so it done. Before we get it, it finish. Me want $10 million from him.
Sister, make you always do this to me. This a good man that can afford $10 million. Eh? You think he can afford $10 million? Not even $3 million or even $2 million, but we want him to go borrow it. You
I
understand?
don't care where you want to get it from. Because that the girl there, she don't value not even 1 red cent. All me know say, that me want, so when me get it, me give you 5 mil out there, and me take 5.
Sister, just be realistic. 1 million for me, 1 million for you.
No,
This is how we are dropping.
it's more pay for it. You have to pay for the other 8. You know, a different way, if me take 2
I'm
from
gonna
him.
beat him still, you know. Me a bad man, you know. Me look, yo, you see my fighting skills dangerous, you know.
Tappy.
I kick him down, you know. Kick
Tappy.
it out in throat, you know.
Oi, Tappy. You know, you don't know crowd of me yard. Because every time you're in a fighting, you run gone left all your friend them.
Me?
And you cause the problem, so when they don't have to call me, don't do it. You can't fight, stop. You
Sometimes
cannot
my
fight.
belly hurt me, so I want to run in and run back, but you know, I get a little nervous. No, I'm just to be honest. But sister, I know which part she live.
You know, everybody knows me and sister, you know,
Listen,
especially when
you
you come around here. So.
You love me.
Say Angel! And stop making world here, say me and sister. What I'm telling you, inform her anytime you do your foolishness, them, then run come and contract about he and sister run the son and send police on me yard. Listen to me. When they come, ask anybody if Angel around there. Just stop tell people say me and sister. Me and you don't know that already.
People know me.
Yeah, who don't know, you not have to make them know. And you always in a problem.
Wait, so we are doing. Come on, sister.
Come on. You love sweets.
You love sweet. Sure. Come in. What going on, cousin? Yeah man, my good man. Blessed. Everything Chris your side? Oh yeah man, my good man. Okay, cool, good to know. Oh yeah, that's something we talk about that time, though. You know, say everything did work out, my brother. Yeah man, everything work out smooth, man. Everything copacetic, everything fixed right now. Right now, she a move pan Q. Yeah man, she come like a new man, I promise you. Yeah man, everything in order. No more problems, no more stress, no more bad vibes, nothing. Everything look good. Yeah man. And don't believe it's strange. I really do appreciate the fact that it come to me and say this to me, you see me? And now, I appreciate, yeah man, I'm grateful, very much grateful. I have 2 beer for you, now watch your face. Yeah man, I buy you 2 beer. Hold on. Right. Yo, I have another caller coming. So here what? I link you. As I say, I got to buy you 2 beer later on. You see me? Alright, big up yourself. Yeah. Jesus, peace. Yo, brother-in-law, what go on? What happened to you?
Yo. A deal what we have. What go on for that?
The deal. Which deal that again?
Because we want somebody right now.
Oh! Yo, Jano Star, God, things are going so good, you know. Say, honestly, I never remember nothing about that. But in regards to the deal, still, you know, you can call it a deal, you know, because I don't need you again.
Maybe the rank with nobody. Brother, you must be give you information for whatever you want, you know.
Yeah, man, everything good, man. I call off that, man.
So, I say you stay. Alright. You know what? Keep your money. Don't worry yourself. Well,
Well, you don't know me the gear thing already, so you don't know work out that and then everything good right now, so we're good. Yeah man, I don't need no more help man, everything Chris.
when you want the oil to do, go go ask for police to do what you want.
No more problems, my boss, everything good. I appreciate what you did too. So yeah man, bless up yourself. Cool? Alright. Yeah man. Never remember nothing about that, you know. Can't start about myself. Brother, I have more cases. I think the man does
Auntie, answer this. Well, go on, Auntie. Yeah, man, everything good, man. Just, they want man, I want party. Wait, what? I mean, the PlayStation now come down. Who take the PlayStation? Customs. So they really take a PlayStation out of the suitcase? Oh God. So you can't buy more next one? Of course me have to ask if you can buy more next one. Look how long me ask if you can get it for me. Alright. You can send one next one. But you go want me clear. Auntie, I don't know if I have so much money for clear one PlayStation. Alright, me say I can't find the money on clear.
I don't say that. Yeah, eat all patty.
Auntie, me talk
Me need
to
to
you
talk to you. Oh, auntie, I talk to you on the phone, but me need to talk to you.
What you want?
Where you get money for buy patty?
Baby, when me get money, I have the money.
Anyways, me need it for go shop.
I always feel summer broke.
Me need it for come go shop.
Every time I send me a shop. Why you don't go a shop?
Come go on a shop for your sister. Chaz up there want food. Him saying want steal food. Just buy chicken. Just buy chicken with him. Stop give me talking no man. Go buy the chicken and come back.
Girl, you realize that me just not eat something I eat later. So
look boy, don't give me no talk. Go and go buy the chicken. No.
Alright. You know yourself, man. The duck will get what the duck want.
Junior, the man himself. Yo, you see Destiny want dangerous something, you know? Because yesterday me and my sister said, we want to come give her a link. Yeah, man. So how things?
Everything going good, man. What you want to chat to me more?
I want to talk to your sister. I want to see your sister. See your sister still do a year on Thursday?
What you talk about?
Eh?
What you talk about?
But no more to see her to talk to her.
For what?
Eh? No, because we have to look at things to discuss, and I don't want certain things go to violence, because the last time me talk, you went kind of go to one way where, you know, you have things that more hurt somebody or somebody end up dead and something there.
Brother, whatever I go on between my sister and your sister, you need to stop. You need to stop.
Yes. So how we going to stop it?
Brother, honestly, I not even know, you know, but the two of them, my sister is a hard-headed person, and I don't know your sister, but I can get she probably the same thing.
Alright, based on what you think and what we believe is different from what we have to solve and fix. Your sister still do a year on Thursday?
You know,
okay.
I don't see her, like, I feel like she stopped going here just because, you know, see how her hair look. But, but I know she go for some walk, like a river and thing. Like evening time, like 5 o'clock on in time.
5 o'clock and something. A good thing you talk, man. That you are now. Me have some business I have to take care of, but me need a help. And I need people I can trust around me. And me a virgin for a long time, so it's not supposed to be a thing I have to sit here and say, yo, help me please and wait it. You're supposed to just know, say, if I want help, just should be.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
So what you want me to do?
Money the money.
Money the money?
Money the money.
Alright, man, brother. As long as money the money,
You sure?
Yeah, man.
Alright, you are going to see. Alright, so tomorrow then, I'll give you a phone call. And the call I'll give you expect you have some business phone call, so take it serious.
Alright, but
Alright?
what there are some things I'm more sort out still, so.
You have some things like what, sir?
My auntie has some things where she want to send on for me and my sister, so I don't want a little money for sort out them.
I work, man, a business, a money. You understand me? I say you can escalate to bigger things just the same way. So just if you just forward in, make sure the link make, and we organize it.
But what kind of jobs still?
I do some merchandising, you know what I mean? Pick up some stuff.
I like the same job where you dig up on other day.
No, man, different job, man. Different job.
Because you know, so last time police, they grab our car.
I'm not trying to share no police thing. This is a thing that's secure.
Legal. Illegal.
Legal, not illegal. We are work for a company. Alright, here I go. My sister go involved slight. But a company named Angels Production. You understand? It's a different thing, man.
If I anything, but just link me.
I link you, man. See? I same phone here, right? Same number.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so we talk. Here?
Yeah, so little more.
Manners.
Wake up.
I get up so early for one.
I forgot on the road and I try that.
What time?
What is the time? What is the time?
Get up now.
7. Yeah, man. I'm up, man.
After 7 now, so you gotta get up, go bathroom. You go work same day?
Yeah, man, I work about 7:30, 8 o'clock.
So get up now.
Go on, go get ready now and go on there, go. Me soon get up, man. Yeah, man, I'm good.
So come back.
Hello.
Dad, take me to Rocks too. She'll come on. She'll come to you.
Yo, Wagwan. What you say? You see her?
Yeah, man, she'll come to you. She on a tree. Make sure you're on a tree. Make sure you're on a tree.
Me dey palm me way I come already.
She'll come.
Yeah. Alright, cool.
You again?
Yeah, where you go? Yo, you think how you make me brother? Hold him.
Where rope there?
Like seriously?
Where rope there?
Seriously, Nick?
Rope, what's the foolishness? Go
Hold
be rope.
Hold this rope.
Seriously, Nick?
And a seriously. Where
Hold
you
him.
go? Your man beat up me, my sister. Go be rope partner.
I can't believe you,
When you
brother.
can't believe. Look, don't believe me. My sister, me trust.
Ready? We have him here so they do. Walk. Start walk. Can't time up here so. We are time up on one cheer.
Which part is this shit that go? She gone so early. Why did you tell me so she go shop or a man yard? Jesus Christ. What am I name again?
normally get up so early and come out the house.
God, man, me tired. It's Monday. Come here, Kuya. You soon come, man. Okay. I'm glad you follow me, you know. So early in the morning.
So where you drive, you say? If I didn't meet you, would you follow me?
Of course. I don't follow you.
So where you say Monday? So long you might take to come?
If you come now, you know, I don't know when there's so long.
Call him and ask him to find it. It might take too long.
I'm getting a voicemail.
Man, shop a pill, my pill, you know. You know, we come
You
down.
don't do that, man.
You sure?
I'm sure, man.
Okay.
If you come, you know.
Come mosquito bite me up here, so. So only one number you have?
I want the money up to you.
So one phone you have?
No person.
Alright, try ring him and see if I can get him back again.
We could just wait 2 more minutes. Hello? It's fire there. Oh, alright then. I'm the right answer. Come.
Finally.
Oh, see me.
Want him this?
Baby, sweet. Never know you that carry a friend. Look at traffic did hold me up, man. So where's going? You alright? The traffic, man, I couldn't forward the inside quick, you see me? They are now still, so where are you?
Nothing, you know, see my friend.
Sorry, pardon my manners. Good morning. You alright?
Yes, sometimes.
Alright, then cool.
Give me a minute. Where the farm morning?
I'm there. I don't know, I'm down on my bed.
That woman having a bed all long?
So, I don't know about that, man. I don't know that, man. I don't need to explain to you. Say, I look at traffic while I did have to take some time for all this, isn't it?
You know where you get rid of her, you know?
I said them things, man. Don't talk to her. Set certain rules. I fix the thing a certain way. Just yesterday I deal with it. And so things are go better now. Trust me. You don't have to worry about she, man. Everything alright.
You know, it's a month end now. I don't want the money.
Time I link up with this and extortion thing. But I understand your thing still.
Yeah, I'm here one do.
I get that baby girl, I can sort you out. You know you have to get sorted out already. Check for you differently, you know. You know I'm a girlfriend already, man. I want to see you. I mean, nothing come between me and you, you know. You know that. So you do it differently. You're good. I have to make sure say you're good, you know, because I'm a girl, you know. And anytime I have my little problems, you don't know you I come to and you I have to rely upon to talk to. You have like my outlet.
That's why you have to get rid of.
Everything will happen in due time, isn't it? So everything will work itself out. And if you get rid of them, that's it. But for right now, we'll set it at a certain pace, at a certain level, or we'll keep it right there. So. But just go and play your role until then.
Alright.
It's up your face, man. It's up your face, man. You must have you already.
So what you do now?
I'm going to go work shortly. So I just definitely have to make sure someone come give you a link, sort you out, and then go up on the work, isn't it?
So what money do?
The money, baby, you know, for work, man. Yeah, I think, let's see. This man, make sure you take care of yourself, is it? Baby already, you know. Just smile on your face, man. You're glad to see me.
I'm glad to see you, but you know the whole situation.
Just smile, baby girl, you make the thing look so. Come on, hug, man. See, they even give me no little kiss, so you stay so. Come on, troops, man. Boy, may I tell you. Alright, man, I gotta work. You see me, so we talk later. Cool. Later, here.
So what kind of work you do?
I'm a police girl.
You never tell me that.
Tell your man.
Yeah, me and you never had a discussion.
But you slip my mind.
Oh, Miss Sun, hope you're going in yourself. Look like you're really interested in him.
Okay, go on.
So a fear man or a barrier?
Girl, it's complicated. Come on, man, let's go.
You know what, answer my question.
Come now, girl.
Stay there talk about your hello and they go on like you're somebody dirty boy.
Who is this?
We mean who is this? Who is this? Y'all get stammer now. My youth, if you not present $2 million in front of me before the day done, your woman is a dead person. I don't want to know you more than how I know you already. All I am saying, you need to come at Blue Lane and present $2 million to me, else your woman is a dead person and no talking. Me no want to hear from you. My youth, listen to this, because this is serious and you might take it for joke. No jokes. $2 million, right there, son. Not more me no want to hear from you. Right. Some boy I come from, so little dirty foot boy I come from, I come go on like he want to style me. You better provide the $2 million. I don't care where you want to get it from, whether you want to thief it or whatever you want to do to get it. You have to carry it, come give me. Boy, you must see yourself for me idiot. Oh, I'm to you. Little clown, now when there. Better come to me, you know. Oh, quick and fast too.
Bro. You have an order, sir?
What? You stay there?
Yes, sir. Go on. You look so.
I'm well if I'm a brain and I'm not gonna lie to you. Get caught in a situation and more that I love if you can get me help me with.
What kind of situation are they?
So I don't know if you know the same woman, my woman where they tell me about the thing the time there.
Are you your girlfriend?
Yeah man, my girl. They don't know say the man them kidnap her.
Yeah, what you really have to say?
Yeah man, someone kidnap her and ask me for money. They ask me for $2 million. If me don't come up with the $2 million, they go kill her.
So, hold on, you're trying to say that you have money from me to borrow?
You could have come to board this situation. I don't want to go tell everybody because they said me go to the police, they going to kill me. And me a police already, I don't know about it.
Alright, you are going, bro. Because I want to stick your situation, listen. If you don't have money to give them, or you give me back my money, I mean, chance. I'm done not to have no money. You never tell us, because you're police and you're in this thing all the time. You know, say Jamaica this and people not to hold people for ransom or kidnap people. So you know, say if them kidnap you and not kill her already, chances are they not kill her at all. So you need to just come up with a plan, probably pack one bag with something, pretend some money in it, and just knock them out. You don't know. You're police, you must know what to do.
You just give me an idea. You just give me an idea, you know. Because the element of surprise is always the key. You know? So what you just say, we can use that to my advantage because them don't know so we don't have the money. So me use that for say how to get to them. And once me find out which part of them, then we can take them out.
Just do what you have to do, man. Because, you know, at Jamaica, we're there and you know the police system is already, although you have police, so. Just do what you have to do. Wish we could have more assistance.
No, man. Brother, how only pay just to become like how you think about the thing through a while ago and made it to me. Yeah, man. Other way I'm going to do it, man. You're going to hear about it.
Right, do what you have to do, man.
Brother, you linking a respect for the advice, isn't it?
Right, handle your business, man.
I deal with it.
Right, wish you all the best.
No, man, I deal with it, brother.
Jaja.
Shut up.
The tie good? The tie good? The tie good? Take off your hand. You want to go which mother? Yeah, idiot? Which mother you want to go?
Shut up your mouth.
Foolishness.
One go which mother? One go which mother? As the great man.
Angel.
As the great man, come over with the chair. Hey girl, you know what you do?
I want trickster, you know?
You know what you do? Eh? You know what you do?
Make man come beat up me
man
sister.
come
Why you
beat
come do that?
me because I you. Hey girl.
Go call him on. And tell him the location.
I'm man around, brother. Hey dirty girl.
I'm man.
After you style me family them. I'm deal with your case about you. Go tell a little dirty foot man about me and make him meet me in a shortcut and come beat me up. Hold that. Hold this.
Hold that too.
This you forget. It's so bright. You think you will never get away. You see me hold your dirty thinking, man.
Yeah. Where say? Yeah, man. Mr. James. Make sure you have the money, you know. Yeah, man. I have the money where you asked me about, man. You have the money? Yeah. 2 million, yeah. Yes. I have all the way you asked me for. Look here, no, man. Me's a man of my word. I have what you say you want. What you mean? With that same place, man. Same place. I don't know girl thing, sir. I have the money. Where you say? Same place I link up? Yes, man. Come. Marco. Yeah, close. Orpa, come. Don't say another word. I'm on my way round to you right now. Good? Yeah, man. Right now, man. Not even 3:40 away. Orpa, come.
Girl, tap in it before I shut your box. Shut up. Shut up your mouth. Idiot. Shut up.
Why you? And the wicked part about this, you're proud.
No worry, me I go in her house. Something me have to find something to cock up her mouth or tie up her mouth. She chat too much.
Just looking at the
You know your girl
Look at that batch. Girl, I don't understand why you're so wicked to my sister, you know, and to my family, you know. Because we do what we do. Me I talk to you, you know.
Wham. What not do to my woman? What you do to my woman?
Me so make it to you, man.
You like a father beg man, you don't ask for your money.
So give me
Now
money.
this is what?
Give me money.
They come for the money, leave her far and come for your money. Move your blouse and skirt, boy, you want money. Move for him, son. Alright, baby. Jesus Christ. Jesus, please. What them people
Yo, what you feel say you do to my what you do to my brother boy? What you do? What you do? What you do? Yeah. Money. Get up.
I want
Get up. Just go on.
See, I'm move your blouse and skirt, boy. Boy, you want money. Eh? Don't find myself. Alright, baby. Jesus Christ. Remember when me a pull down this something you come and knock me out, you know?
Yeah, go.
I can't go come now and knock me out.
Ready?
My youth, you know, see the money, so where you trouble my girl from? They ain't come for your money. I want to want to come for your money. Come for your money now. Money. Oh, friend me something, boy. Yeah, boy. Easy, baby, alright? Alright. Him hurt you? Hush. Come, get up. Come. Let me look for you. Let me check you. Alright? Candy there. Jesus Christ.
Let me forget the shit and shot. You put down, so go and take a look.
When you give me money, bro. Walk off.
You want to step out and you are gone. That's some stuff to do with. No, I forgot work. You don't know anything going on. I'm going to look for your money. Make sure you're alright. Ready, kid? Action! That's so good. Alright? Come back, my girl, wake up, you know. My girl, wake up. Stay down, move, girl, where you going? So step up again, here.